Will be great. Okay? So this is actually what happened earlier. So I taught you all the pages there are in each particular H5 lessons. There are actually two types of lesson materials, PDF and H5. PDF are maybe for your teenager students. You don't have the H5 already. You don't play the button, play the audio. No need. Just mere reading and presenting. Okay? Now, teachers, if you can take a screenshot of this, these are actually basic AC troubleshooting links. So can you see that? Oh no, Shaika, and it crashes up after launching, blah, 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 and so on. And you will cry. No. Relax. Be confident. Again, what's the basic troubleshooting is actually for you to exit AC and then re-enter, right? Or close AC and re-enter. Are we good, teachers? So here, when you are kicked out in AC, when your mic and camera not working, oh teacher, I cannot see myself. I cannot see the. Of course, sometimes your student will also not show herself. Or, and what if AC loads too slowly? Maybe your computer is updating. So make sure to schedule the update of Windows. That's a tip. Okay. Of course, internet should be good, right? And then when your computer hangs, because you have Facebook there, you have your TikTok there, you have your Instagram, a lot of tabs are open. To be safe, just open my page, okay? And AC. Your other apps, your TikTok, your Messenger, your Skype, of course, should only be on your phone. That's a tip as well. Got it? Teachers, thumbs the up or thumbs up? Always up, right? So there. So you can actually get a screenshot of this. Now, paste it somewhere in your drive or on your, of course, maybe Word or a notepad. There. Now, teachers, here we go. These are actually what? Okay, this is how a healthy AC would look like. Do you see that, teachers? You can open. It's actually on top of there's the check mark there of your computer. See this? Of course, don't forget because you actually muted. Maybe early in your CE demo you have muted your AC. You will forget to actually turn it back on. So you will not hear your student, okay? Or your CE. So this one actually CPU is good, memory is usually like this, but if it's orange that's pass, okay? So there will be a delay or packet loss if your internet is not good. All right. So here, this is of course your computer. For the techie people here, this is your computer. This is your internet. Okay, so check that out if it shows like this. But sometimes you can just leave and re-enter AC. It will fix the issue. Questions or no questions? No questions. Okay. All right, teachers, please. I'm serious with questions, okay? If you are not confident, don't be shy. Again, I'm the only shy in this room. Okay? Are we good? Sleepy? Yeah, let me know who is sleepy. Anybody sleepy here? Be honest. None of sure because I'm sleepy. Okay? So there. I actually slept. If you notice, I was still messaging you past midnight. Yes, yeah. But then again, yeah, I slept at after 2 a.m. this morning. And I have to wake up the moment I answered one of you as well. So there. Okay, where are we now? This time. Just. So no questions here. Let's go to this part. Let's jump to the next page. I'm really amazed with that. Okay, we're done with this, right? No questions with what we have done earlier. This time, this is it. This is how or what I actually demonstrated as well earlier. So we will just have a quick view. Okay, what is this? Teacher Amy, please read.
The 5-1 talk lesson flow.
Yes. Okay.
Talk.
Now the lesson flow. What's the objective? Let's have teacher Olin.
By the end of this training, you should be able to teach students using the 5-1 talk lesson flow.
So it's not if you who has dep ed experience here or who's currently teaching a school. No, but teacher Amy. So this is really different from the real classroom, from the physical classroom. Okay, why? So again, the first part is let please teacher Diane. What's the first part?
The warm up
Yes,
or
what is in the warm up? 2 to 3
greeting.
minutes.
Yes, 2 to 3 minutes of greeting and lesson introduction.
Yes, remember earlier the greeting of course, yeah, when you stated your name, you ask your student's name. Lesson introduction is the cover page. Like you will introduce this is Timmy, this is Cindy, this is they are at school. Okay. Now, next part to warm up is of course your yeah, teacher Abby, what's number 2?
Lesson proper.
Sorry, teacher. Yeah, the lesson proper, this will be 20 minutes because it's including the. Oh, teacher Tanya, are you okay? Teacher Tanya, is that did teacher Tanya post something in Skype?
Yes,
Again in
training,
bio break in
bio break.
Skype, okay? Oh, you just had your break. Another bio break? Okay. So bio break, teachers, I will limit it to 3 minutes. Okay? Because I can do it in 2 minutes. I'm not sure with you. Okay? So bio break will be 3 minute stops. But if you can describe to me what kind of bio break, I can give you 5 minutes. Okay? All right. So 2 to 3 minutes for peeing, 5 minutes for the inevitable, you know. All right. So now, but you have to show proof. Can you show proof for 5 minutes? Okay, so where are we now? Okay, teachers here. Okay, so that's of course lesson proper, including the please read teacher Tanya. Lesson proper for 20 minutes include
Presentation of the target language and also practice of the target language.
there. Okay, so you have to be able to present the target language, words, vocabulary, of course, and the sentences. Now let's go to teacher Olin. Next to okay, warm up, lesson proper, wrap up. For how many minutes is wrap up?
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Three. Again, three. Three,
Three.
tree.
Three.
Okay. Three, tree. Now,
Three
Three,
what
minutes.
is in the
three.
wrap up?
Production of the target language. Lesson conclusion.
Yeah, the conclusion like when you ask, what did you learn today, Abby? So no reading first, proactively, let your student read, give a short feedback. Okay, using the sandwich method. If the student cannot understand what you're saying, just use simple words. Practice, say. Okay, are we good in that? So this should be teachers, take a screenshot. I'm encouraging you. Screenshot for the lesson flow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Screenshot done. Let's go to the next page. These are the what? Parts of the warm up.
Warm up.
So that is where you tell your name, you sing the song, play the song. Do not make your own tune of the Silo song. Other teachers before made their own version. You're not authorized to make your own version. Okay? Listen to the play the audio. Like there was one teacher who rapped, "Hello, hello, hello, how are you? I am good. I am great." Okay. So she actually just chanted when in fact you can play. Okay. So again, you're the cover page, the introduction of the no need for, okay, Tanya, who is this? Tanya, who is this? Oh my, present the characters. Level 0. Always remember that. Take note if you have a son, if you have a niece, a nephew who are level zeros, you can't force them. Okay? Read, read, Olen, read. What? What is your name? And again, teachers, most of your student will say NEM. NEM.
Mm.
Correct right away. Error correction. Do not say, oh, you're wrong. No. No, Olen. Simply say, Olen, say that
Say it
again.
again. Say that
Name.
again.
Name, name, name. You?
Name, name,
Okay,
name.
like that. Do not say no. They are very allergic to no. Okay? So of course, here we go. This is actually, listen to this. Teachers, let me know if you can hear.
来了，又跑了，刚来又跑。
Hello.
Can you hear?
Hello，
Wow.
Teachers?
I'm May. What's your name?
嗨，
Okay. Hello, Cece.
嗨，
Wow. Oh, look. Listen. Oh, animals can move. You, Cece. Say animals
The animals
can
can
move.
good
Move.
move no
Move.
move.
Very good. Good job,
Move.
Cece. Whoop. Oh, look.
Whoop.
Listen. Let's sing first. Look and listen.
The cat on the farm says meow, 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 meow. The cat on the farm says meow, 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 all day long.
We can't hear you, ma'am.
Sorry. Okay. I will stop you there. Thank you, Teacher Abby. You might wonder why there's a video for this. Okay, because this is actually another type of lesson. It's actually S. I'm sorry, I'm part of it because I've not taught it for a long S something. There's H5, there's also S something. So you are handling young learners with this video. You can actually like have another app. It's actually another app that you can download, then play this. Okay? You will learn of that and that is actually the AC player that is causing for that to play. Okay? The video. So that's not a part of your H5 or your demo with C. But make sure you will be able to download AC player if you have this kind of lesson. Okay? With the video. All right, so that's it. So basically, we'll move to that because this is now. Let's go to this one.
Forest meow 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 meow. Yes, cat meow meow
On the
meow
farm says meow, meow, meow.
meow 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 meow. Meow us meow
All
meow
Okay, teachers, what have you noticed on the teacher's background? I mentioned about you should have your tarpaulin clean and maybe a solid white background, just like what you have now. Why do you think the teacher has those? It's like her background is covered because she is exempted. She is an FTE teacher. It's okay with them because they are, of course, trying to, oh, okay, come on, students, enroll with 5-1 Talk. So they can put all of those. But for regular teachers, regular lessons, not FTE, your background should be as is. Okay? Clean. There. All right. Now, so what did you notice? What do we call them? The cat, of course, is an example of your
Teaching aid.
teaching
Aids
aids.
or
Very
props.
good. So review your lesson if you have time, then prepare your teaching aids, especially with animals, you have them, right? So there. Connected to the lesson. Maybe you will show an apple. It's not connected to the lesson. Maybe you can just give that as your reward. Okay? Are we good with that? So basically, that's it. Now let's jump to this one. Hold on. So what else is the teacher showing
They
here?
The horse on the farm says neigh, neigh, neigh
Mm-hmm.
all day long.
Teachers, I don't have a beautiful voice, but I still sing. Whatever, I still sing. So they don't mind if you are off tune, simply sing. Because there are teachers, okay, let's sing. No singing. And when you show your TPR, you are amazed with the student, show that you are happy as well. Wow. Good job, Olin. Let's go to the next page. Okay. I hope it will not happen. Be ecstatic as well. Be excited for your students' accomplishment. Good, not good, good. Right? Thumbs up,
Yeah,
teachers. So
good.
remember, I ask you to know, remember all the positive adjectives that you can describe the students or your learners' accomplishment. All right. So there. Now, yeah, basically just show here in this part showing, of course, the teaching aids for each target language. Now, here, what can you see here? Of course, the
Warm up.
preparatory, the warm up greeting. So teachers don't say, I am teacher Amy and I graduated what cum laude, blah blah. So simply, I am your teacher. Yeah, I am teacher Amy from 5-1 Talk. Okay. No need to state your accomplishments. All right. Now, here we go. Let's practice this one. So, let me ask a teacher Amy, how do you do this? Using the teacher's guide.
Look.
So, first, how
Ano?
many minutes?
Yes.
Maximum.
The warm up still 2 to 3.
No, this one. For this particular page only. This one. Look. Do you
I'll
see
look.
its title page is
One
just,
minute. 1 minute.
yes. Okay. How will you do this based on the teacher's guide?
Okay. So, hi, Alan. Look. What can you see?
Okay. Let Allen respond to you. But what if she can't respond? What's the option?
Look at
Hello.
here. Okay, Alan. Look at here. This is Timmy. And this is Cindy. And where are they? They are in school. Okay? Look
Let
at
Let Olen respond because you asked another
Oh,
question. You
okay,
did
okay,
not present it. Where, okay? Give her 2 to 3 seconds, 2 to 4 to
Thanks.
respond. Okay.
Okay.
Now, which best describes this picture? They are in school or they are at school?
They are at
Yeah,
school.
it's
Yes. Thank you, teacher Amy, for correcting yourself. Yeah, they are not inside the school, maybe inside the school premises. Okay. Now, let's go and continue.
Oh, okay.
What will
they
you
are
say?
school.
Okay, so after Olin responded, so we'll just put it into that Olin already responded the question. Okay, so if Olin also will not read, so can I still? Yes, yes. Okay, Olin, our school. Our topic is about our school.
Teacher, don't know topic.
Okay,
It's a
can you?
foreign language to the student. Topic, level
Oh,
0.
okay, okay. That's a very, 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 very deep.
They are school.
Okay, this one,
Very deep, okay. So
Alan.
simply
Okay,
say, we will talk.
Sim, we will talk about our school. Can you say it again? Our.
No, no teacher, no say.
Okay.
Why? Don't give her the option to say no. Simply say,
Say our
Olen,
school.
Olen,
Say,
say.
Say
say,
our school.
our school.
Very good. So again, don't give them
The
the option
choices.
to say no or just yes. Okay? So that's it. Now, good job for that, teacher Amy. Here we go. Why? What are the key points of the warm up? Teacher Amy, call a friend. Call another teacher.
I'll go
It's
to
not me, it's teacher Amy calling you.
Teacher Diane.
All right, teacher Diane. What are the key points of the warm up?
So the key points of the warm up is first is how did the teacher greet the student? So greeting was short but effective, and also should remember to keep the greeting short but sweet. Introduce yourself briefly. Don't force the student to give an English name. Don't ask unnecessary questions like have you eaten or etc.
All right, let me start. That's all. Thank you, teacher Diane. So, dear teachers, Dora, do you have an English name? Like, for example, my name is Ming Ming. My name is like the Shu Young. All right. So, do you have an English name? Don't. So, whatever the student will say, just acknowledge it. Okay. Thank you, Xiao Xiao, or whatever there is. Okay. Then, of course, that teachers, your level 0 students will not understand. Have you eaten? What did you do today before our class? Did you go to school today? Nosebleed, teacher. So simple. Just follow the teacher's guide. Okay. And again, minimize the can you because your student will really answer yes or no. Okay. Now, how did the teacher introduce the lesson? It's by, yeah, teacher Diane, call a friend.
Teacher
Who is
Abby.
Armina Rose, by the way? Who is Armina Rose? Let me check. Somebody is trying to join, but she is Armina Rose. Sorry, teachers. Armina, there's no Armina Rose in. Oh, Amelita, Armina. Teachers, just in case you get disconnected, message in our Skype GC. Okay? Just in case you will not be able to enter using your. Are we Where were we? So, teacher Dayan, who's your friend now?
Teacher Abby.
Teacher Abby. Let's
The
go.
other key,
Next,
the other key
read the
points of
next
the
part.
warm. The other key points of the warm up is
Oh,
how
sorry.
did the teacher introduction?
Yeah.
How did the teacher introduce the lesson? Sorry, ma'am, it's raining here. Can you hear the rain now?
Oh, yeah. No. It's
Okay,
your
yeah.
rain only, not ours.
Yeah.
It's joke. Yeah, it's actually there's a tropical depression, right? So
Yeah.
there. So anyway, where are we? Read what did the teacher
We,
do to introduce the lesson? Again, you can.
how did the teacher introduce the lesson? Read the little title, while underlying the keywords. Remember the title page
Yeah,
service to
underlining,
introduce,
right?
underlining. Introduce the lesson. Do not teach yet on this page. Read the title and ask the student to repeat.
There, no more. Oh, do you go to school? Do you like going to school, Amy? No need to do that. And oh, teacher, please don't be focus. Serves, right? Say the words again, everybody. Serves, serves,
Serves.
right? To introduce the lesson. There, no need to teach
Serves.
this. Again, 1 minute only
Affirmative
max.
serves.
Are we good? 1 minute only. Okay. Now let's continue. How about this one now? Teacher Abby, call a friend.
I will call teacher Tanya.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Go, teacher. Oh, teacher Amy, right? Okay. Actually you call your all the friends here. Do not keep going back to teacher Amy. But teacher Amy is called. You have to read it. Go, teacher Amy.
I
Is
call
it teacher
teacher
Amy?
Tanya, ma'am.
I think
Teacher
Teacher
Tanya.
Tanya.
Oh, teacher Tanya. Oh, I thought it's Amy. Tanya. Okay, go.
I do, we do, and you do. I do. The teacher gets the attention of the students, presents the target language of the lesson, provides comprehensible input, models target language in context. We do. The
Mhm.
student practices using the target language through activities, gains confidence in using target language, receives guidance and support needed. You do. The student produces the target language with no help from the teacher and completes the activity on his or her own.
There. So, do you see the highlighted words? First, what is it?
Present.
Yes.
Presents.
Yeah,
Presents.
you are
Presents.
going to present.
Presents.
Right. Just present like no need. Who is this? Where are they? Oh, the student will cry. I don't know, teacher. Oh. So if they can't answer 2 to 3 seconds, simply this is
Pres-
Timmy. This is Cindy. Who is this again? Just to check for understanding. There. Okay, now practices. That's where you have the, what do you have?
PPR and the
What particular part is this? The look, drag, and
Lesson.
say, right?
This one is
Okay, so you have to be you have to let the student do it. But it's of course we, right? Now you do is the student will produce the target language with no help from you, especially the wrap up page. Okay? So basically, teachers, the lesson proper is 20 minutes with the transition page. That's why I ask you for how many minutes, right? For how many minutes is each, of course, page. Now, this is, of course, lesson proper, but this is quite long because I've already shown it to you earlier. Just watch some of the presentation.
Look, listen. Racist cat. Okay, one more. Say, this is.
It's
This is. This is cat. This is. This is cat. Okay, one more. This is a cat. This is a cat. One more. This is
This is cat.
this. This.
This.
Good.
This.
This is.
This piece.
This is
This is
a cat.
a cat.
Good. One more, Cece. This is
This is cat.
this.
This
All right, teachers, what did you notice? Error correction. She did not say very good. This is okay. So one more and the one word instruction. Listen, say, read. One more. So two, 1 to 2 words in a sentence. Do not make it long. Yeah, okay, let's say it again. Let's repeat it, Cece. Let's do this together. I will do this, you will do this. Let's do it together. Uh, what will happen to your student? Okay? Are we good? Simple instructions. So that's it. Let your student repeat it. How many times, teachers, will you ask your student to repeat? What if she can't really and say or follow you? This is cat. This is cat. Again, one more time. This is a cat. But what if she cannot follow after the third time? Will you still be on that page until the end of time? Of course, just 3 times, teacher. And then
Proceed.
you can say, let's practice that later. Okay? Check, check. But no more later. It's the lesson is just for 25 minutes. Okay, but you have to, in the wrap up, you have to tell your student to practice. Okay? So what about here? Let's go to teacher Abby. Teacher Abby. How many minutes is the vocabulary page? How many
20
minutes is
minutes.
this page?
20 minutes, no?
This page only. This page. Try
3
to look.
minutes. 3 minutes.
Vocabulary page.
3
How
minutes.
many minutes? 2 to 3.
3 minutes.
Again,
ma'am. 2 to
what's the
3.
difference
2
of
to
this?
3 minutes.
This is,
3.
everybody,
3.
3.
3.
Three.
This one,
3.
3.
this is the tree. How about this?
3.
3.
Soft TH. 3.
3.
I am very particular with this, teacher, because when I was just starting, yeah, I know how to pronounce this, the 3 and the 3. But maybe I just want to tell you, maybe the QA that time just copy pasted her
Malakas yung music mo,
observation.
Gia.
She really asked me 3 and 3. But
Gia.
I know how to pronounce 3
Malakas yung
and
music mo.
3. Okay? So that's why I really want you to remember this. The 3
3.
and the 3 and the 3. Okay?
3.
So this one is
3.
for 2 to 3 minutes. Now,
3.
teacher
2 to
Abby,
3.
teach this page. Teach this page, teacher Abby.
Okay. I am lost.
Lead in question, maybe you can ask. Look, what can you
Look.
see? That's the time. Okay, look.
Okay.
Or, yeah, what can you see? You can actually do that. Lead in question. Now, listen. So, or no need to say now. Listen. Play the
Okay.
audio, right? So, what will
Yes,
you do
ma'am.
with this? You can actually to get the attention of your student. Clap, clap. Again, Diane. School, school, school. Okay.
School.
Yeah. Okay. Then what else? What else? This is now the concept checking questions. Maybe if your student is a high learner, you can ask CCQs. Diane, do you like
Okay.
school? Do you like school, Diane? CCQs, right? But again, let her repeat the word school, school, school 3 times. And the sentence, this is a school. Correct the student if needed. This is a school. One more time, Diane. This is a school. Okay? Gets, teacher? This is for practice. All right, everybody, thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up, right? No thumbs down. Okay. Now, what is this? Again, what will you do on the transition page? Let me ask, teacher. Okay, Diane, what will you do on the transition page?
Okay, let's play a game. Did I do it right?
What is the TPR for game? There. As simple as showing that TPR will merit you 1 point for TPR with CE. Move, teachers. Let's play. Let's, everybody, right? Let's play a game. Let's have,
Let's play a
that's good,
game.
teacher Amy.
Let's play
Let's
a
have
game.
game time. All right. So now, teachers, you are in each game. Remember, you can actually the authorized thing. Don't forget that. Do not say a lot of instructions here. That's already given, right?
Look,
Simple.
drag
Amy,
and say.
look, drag, and say. Then, remember, it's drag. So let authorize your student right away to drag. After dragging, now let's say that's the time you enable your pen. Let's say, Timmy, oh, Timmy, Cindy, like the, of course, you will encircle this. Let's say again, who is this? Cindy.
Cindy.
Timmy, your student will be fast if she is high learner. Cindy, Timmy, Cindy, Timmy, Cindy. Here. Okay, but after, yeah, she was able to drag. The last one will be the say. Sometimes the teachers will say, oh, who is this? Who is this? Then the student will not be able to drag Cindy to the train. There's actually a secondary instruction here. Who is next on the rail car, I believe. Okay, so just follow. Click on the TG so that you will be reminded what to do. Okay, good, teachers? Good, right? Okay, now, how about here? Okay, this one again. How do you do this part of the game? Let's have teacher Olin. Oh, there.
What is your name?
But then start with the transition page. What will you say on the transition page? Let's have. Ta-da-da-da. What's that?
Let's have a
Diane.
game.
There. Let's have a game. No need to teach the page. Go right away to Tanya. Let's have drag and role play. But actually, in your TG, you will be able to see what you can ask to your student. Oh, who do you like, Tanya? Then, do you like Timmy? So you can drag Timmy or then Cindy or the other Timmy. First Timmy, second Timmy, right? Drag, and then that's the time, remember? Switch roles, right? Switch roles. There. Now, of course, there are these different what? Different pages on your lesson that you can practice. Okay? Okay, okay. All right,
Okay.
so there. We'll see later. Now, how about this? Let me ask. Okay, teacher, Abby. Let's do it here.
Okay,
Teach
teacher
this
Ami,
page.
let's talk. Let's talk. Something like that.
You are teacher Abby. Remember? You are teacher Abby. Shy Cat, I am your student now. Go.
Okay. Shy Cat, let's talk. Let's go to the next page. Charan. Welcome.
Okay, go. Continue, teacher. I'm just laughing. I'm amused.
I will be Cindy and you will be Timmy. Hello.
You okay? Good. Yes, you can actually remember too. After saying the instruction, I will be Cindy. You will be Timmy. Play the audio. Do not rely on your own pronunciation. The
Okay.
AI audio there will help you. Okay? Don't be too
Okay.
confident. Okay?
Okay.
Because why? Your student, oh, teacher said hello.
Hello.
Then on the audio, it says hello. So play it so that you will also be reminded of the correct pronunciation. Okay?
Okay.
So that's
Okay.
it. Thank you so much. Now, let's watch this. Lesson practice, page.
Oh, look. Hmm. Sissy, listen and touch. Touch.
Touch. Mm, This
Bird. Where is bird?
bird. A bird. A bird.
Yes. Tweet, tweet.
Mm, of bird.
Yay.
There. If you notice, instead of using choose, that the teacher used touch, right? Because she can do the TPR for touch. Or you can actually say click, right? So it depends because choose, oh, let's choose for low level learner. Okay? So that's choose. Now let's go to this. Remember, we too, right? Now, Amy.
Yes, I'll do the lesson again, teacher trainer.
Yeah, please show how do you do this part.
So after, so I have to instruct the student also to I have to press this one, the sound, the button.
The But before that, what will you
Do
do?
okay, okay. Alan,
Say,
Say.
say my favorite student, Alan.
okay,
Okay,
all in.
Alan. Alan, look, they are talking. Let's read
Talking.
what they are saying. Follow me.
There. Okay, no need to read because why? You're able to play the sound, right? So maybe, yeah, let's listen.
Okay,
Again,
let's
just listen. So this is the teaching guide is for you to be guided the step, but if it's not visible, don't use it, right? Let's read. So let's just, okay, listen. And then now, Ole.
now,
Say.
Alan.
Okay, let Olin hear, and then you follow. She will need to follow. Let her follow even once. Okay, just once. All right. Oh, sorry. All right. So that's it. Now let's go. Oh, this one, this particular game, right? Let me call. It's actually Teacher Tanya. Let's practice more, right? More practice pages.
Okay, let's have some game time. Let's look and say. Our game is look and say. Wait, wait.
Oh, hold on, Teacher Tanya. Um, just like to remind everybody, that's not the title of the game. That's the instruction, right? when you click TG, you will just say, let's look and say. Then let's help reread the sub instruction. So do we call that? Let's
Let's help Cindy swim away from the shark.
there.
I am the shark and you will be Cindy.
Mm. There. Okay, so that's it, right? So, what will you do again? Dynamics in your voice. Very good, Teacher Tanya. If you are the shark, I will be the shark. Okay, dynamics. There. So, again, the teaching guide is a guide that it doesn't mean that you will follow it to the dot. Okay, you can have your own. If it's not applicable, you think it's not applicable, don't use it, but the what do you call that, the flow. Okay, use that there. And now, how about this one? Okay, the key points of the lesson proper. Let's have, of course, teacher. You're just five here, so I will be yeah, you will just in a round table. Let's have teacher Dayan, the use of
So
teaching aids.
the key points of the lesson proper is first is to use teaching aids. As much as possible, use appropriate tangible teaching aids when presenting target words. Use a combination of tangible and virtual teaching aids during the lesson proper. At the minimum, a teacher must use at least a whiteboard to draw examples for the target word.
Yeah, that's why I showed you this earlier, right? You can write, you can draw. This is the option if if you're not able to prepare teaching aid, a picture of the target words. You will be safe with this whiteboard or your reward system. Okay, please, I hope you will not fail this part during CE or later when we will have our practice. Okay, now how can you make your lesson proper engaging? Let's have teacher Olin. Of course, teacher Amy's favorite student. Okay. Go, teacher Olin.
Make
What
your
will you
lesson
use?
proper engaging. Use appropriate TPR when presenting target words and let your student participate and move.
Yeah, you will let your student participate and move, but you are stoic. So
Use
show.
appropriate TPM
Okay.
when presenting
All
target
right,
words.
Olin, clap your
Participant.
hands. Or Olin, clap your hands. See the difference? Are you going to follow the second one, Olin? Of course, no. Right? Now let's go. Okay, this part now. This is also very important, teachers. Why? This will fall according to time management. So you'll be able to check how many pages you will dwell on that particular page. Okay? Again, teacher, here we go. Let me call teacher Abby. What will you do here?
The key points of the lesson
Don't.
proper. Don't rush through the
Mm-hmm.
pages. Be mindful of the time
Yeah.
allocation per page. Adjust according to the level of the
Mm.
student. Use visual aids to help expand on the material. Speak slowly.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The next
There.
key
Teachers,
points of
when we say don't speak slowly, teachers, it's not that you will really speak slowly, like your voice is loading, like your internet. There are really teachers, based on experience, when I audited their lessons, the teachers will really say, okay, what is your name? And the student will answer, Tanya. Let's go to the next page. Your students. Oh, okay, teacher.
napakikapikon.
You go to the next page. So there, right? And again, mind your teacher talk time. All right, teacher Tanya, please read. How do you mind your talk time? TTT is actually 30% only. How?
Make sure that your student will practice the target language through drilling and repetition. Let the students speak. Provide more opportunities for them to speak by asking CCQs and PQs. Level 0 learners will benefit more from visual and auditory input rather than purely auditory input.
There. Is this self-explanatory, like what we discussed earlier during the simulation?
Yes.
Let your student practice, okay? Like when you ask, what is your name? Okay, let's go to the next page. I have, of course, teachers like that.
A trainer, you're muted.
Oh, all right. So now let me ask Teacher Olin to teach this.
You too. Ah, this is the
Go.
wrap-up page. Hello, Tanya. Now, let's go to the wrap-up page.
Let's continue. Go. This is now, of course, yeah, going to wrap up, right? Remember what you will
Today,
say here?
What did you
today we learned about
Yes, so that's the time your student will read. But what if she cannot
answer.
read? What will you do if she cannot read?
Give give clues. Like, for example, heh, heh. Then they will proceed.
You will like the sound, the beginning sound of the word.
Word.
Then remember
Word.
you showed her your
CPR.
Olen. So there, then of course the student can follow. Or if the mom is beside her, the mom will be very angry. Hello, hello, say hello. Cha 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 cha. Hello. There. So your mom student will be able to help as well. Then you can say thank you after. Thank you, mommy. There. Book me again. Of course, you don't do that. Just thank you to mommy. Okay. Now, what about this one? Let's listen. You do, Olin. Listen, watch this. It's your
Oh, Yang Yuhan, touch this. Touch this. Touch.
Touch.
Okay. Touch.
Watch.
What's this?
What's up?
What's this? It's a
what's up? Okay.
It's a brown teddy bear.
very good. Do
All
you
right.
like this brown teddy bear?
So that's it, okay? So there is, of course, if the student cannot, use your TPR, use your teaching aids. Remember? So that's the secret. Okay, but do not read for, All right, today, Tanya, you learned. Do you like teddy bear and everything? But actually, here for this particular wrap up page, the student can click the boxes, and it will pop up. Okay, so you can let the student. Ting, okay, do you like teddy bear? Do you like monster? Do you like blah 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 and so on? Okay, so there. Here, What does it say? Please read, Teacher Diane. What do we do in the production page?
In the production
Yeah.
page, we want the students to be more independent in expressing their ideas.
There, this is gauging. If you, the student learned for how many minutes already? 22 minutes. Then you will still read it. Oh, so no time for the student. So again, TTT, teacher's talking time, 30 only. Yours will be yours will be 30, student will be 70 as much as possible. Now, here we go. Another wrap up, right? So let's go to teacher Abby. Another wrap up here.
Hello, Diane.
It's
What we
Diane
learned,
now.
what we learned
These are,
today.
you can actually follow the TG. These are,
Okay. These are
oh, you can actually ask Diane now. Diane, because this, remember,
the
this is wrap up, right? Diane, these are what we
Diane.
learned today. You can circle.
Okay, ma'am. Diane, these are what we learned today.
School.
Oh, Diane is very smart. What if
Good
Diane
job,
cannot answer?
Diane.
What if Diane cannot? What if Diane cannot say it?
Um,
What will you do?
I'm gonna repeat it again, ma'am. Like,
Yeah.
asking again, Diane.
Redundant. Just
Diane.
repeat. Okay.
Mm.
Our teachers,
Diane.
everybody, repeat is again. Okay. So just say repeat. Let's repeat it. Let's say again. Okay.
Okay.
One more time. Diane.
Diane.
What's this?
Mm.
Oh, actually, what is this? TPR for school. This is a house. Okay, whatever. So, but then make sure that you were able to present this earlier, that this is really a
Okay.
school. Okay? Because what if you
Okay,
will
ma'am.
ask here, what is this, Diane? Oh, Diane did not see it earlier during your presentation. So you must be able to present that this is a school. Diane, school earlier during the
School.
presentation, right? But here, don't ever spoon feed your student. Just say, Diane, look at this. Sc- So Diane will be able to catch up. Okay? So again, provide the corrections when necessary based on your
Let's
feedback.
see.
Okay? Are we good
Okay.
in that? All right. So, and then you can sing the goodbye song. All right, after your feedback. There. Now let's go. Teacher, the key points of the wrap up. What are these? Let me ask teacher. Okay, teacher Amy again. What will you make sure of?
Key points of the wrap up. Make sure to go through the I can do it wrap up pages. Get the student to say the words independently. Give hints if the student is struggling.
Mm.
Make the
And
learning visible. After getting the student to say the target words independently, say, "Good job today, student. You learned two new words. You learned how to say, and you also learned the sentence." Make a
there.
memorable impression. Did you have fun in our lesson today? Did you learn new
Did you
words
learn
today?
any words today?
Add me to your
Add me to
favorites,
your
okay?
favorites.
See
Okay.
you again
See you
soon.
There.
again.
So it's okay to say add me in your favorites, but don't, of course, ask for the rating. Okay, there. Thank you so much. Now let's go. What else are there to remember? Okay, you have to remember all of these. Let's go back to teacher Tanya.
Okay, remember, finish all the pages in the lesson, but do not rush through the material. Allot 1 to 2 minutes for presentation, practice, and production pages. Conduct the full 25-minute class. Parents are very
Parents are
particular
very
about
particular
this.
about
It's
this.
all about
It's
managing
all
your
about
time and
managing your
adjusting to the
time and
level of
making
the student. Preparation is the
preparation
key.
is little.
There. Okay, so teachers, That's very important. Time management, you can get a complaint if you will not conduct, like you will just let your, if you finish, we will talk about that in ZTP, zero tolerance policies later in a moment. It's a no-no to let your student go at the 24th minute, even at the 24.50 minute. Don't ever do that. If you think that you entered AC 3 minutes in advance, you will cut short. I entered at two, maybe 2:25. So I will just leave at 2:50 for your 2:30 class. That's not the case. Okay? So there. And then preparation is the key. You have to prepare yourself. Make sure that when you open that particular class, be responsible. Mind that particular slot because you opened it. Okay? There. So take screenshots, teachers, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, screenshots. Now, achieving lesson aims. How do you achieve that? So, what are lesson aims, by the way? I kept hearing that, Shy Cat. So, let's have Teacher Dayan. Oh, Teacher Dayan, you're on mute.
Sorry. So lesson aims are what the student needs to achieve at the end of a lesson. Activities should be planned in order to achieve these aims. How well a lesson goes depends on the achievement of the lesson aims.
Mhm. There. So, of course, it's how you presented. Remember the three P's? Present, practice, and what's the last P? Present, practice, and
Practice,
Participate.
produce.
participate,
Production.
produce,
Yeah, it's
production,
presentation, practice, and production. There, you should be able to, yeah, have that. And of course, how to achieve the lesson aims here. Starting from, let's start from the bottom until achievement. Let's have teacher um, Olin. Please read the first one.
Identify the lesson aim or the target language.
Very good. Now, let's go to teacher Amy. Number 2.
Present the target language using meaningful context.
Like, of course, you can ask CCQs. Do you go to school? This is school. This is teacher, like me. Okay, there. Now, number 3, teacher Tanya.
Have the student practice the target language through guided practice.
Okay, and the next one, teacher Dayan.
Have the student practice the target language through free practice.
Of course, the games, right? Now, let's go to teacher Abby.
have the student produce the target language independently.
So that's why in the wrap up, it's for your student to shine. Are we clear or are we clear? Everybody clear, teachers? There. That's how you achieve, ta-da, your lesson aim. All right, now this time, identifying lesson aims. So do you see this particular page, teacher? This is, of course, how you present the target words, the stories. So you should be able to also like engage your student to be or to practice this here. Okay, reading. Do not read it by yourself. Oh, a student not listening. Oh, where are you going, Timmy? I am going to my family picnic. Will help. So you will just read it by yourself. Okay? Encourage the student. Let him or her follow you. Remember earlier in the video earlier when teacher said say say blah blah blah, the student also mimicked or parroted her. Say, be very careful, okay? Like put a gap from say. All right, Abby, say then that's the time you, because if you will just connect them, of course, she will connect the say with the sentence. Okay? Now, what else do we need to remember, Olin?
Remember, identify lesson aims at the beginning of the lesson. Focus on these aims. Present, practice, and let the students produce the target language in order to achieve the aims of the lesson.
So here,
Clear
teachers.
lesson
Oh,
aims will help you achieve a fruitful lesson.
yes. Why? Because of this, right? Present, practice, and
Practice.
Practice and
produce, right?
produce.
So you should be able to focus. Why focus, teachers? Of course, because if you don't like do the page objective, the lesson objective, where are you going with your lesson? Right? So again, your teacher's guide, the TG there will help you. All right? Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, now, maximizing lesson time. Are you tired already? Do you want to take a break? No. We will finish and then you can take a break for your demo, practice demo. Okay. So, maximizing lesson time. Maximize. There's Max telling you to maximize your 25 minutes, right? Why? What are the three stages here? Uh-huh. Teacher Tanya, what are these three?
Warm up,
The three
lesson proper,
stages
wrap
are
up.
warm up, lesson proper, and wrap up.
How many minutes is the lesson proper again? Usually
20
20
minutes. And
minutes.
then
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yes, 1 to 2 minutes here for the warm up, right? And then,
Yes.
of course, wrap up. Now, oh, here, question. Teacher Amy, you cannot say goodbye to your students,
Okay. What do you
right?
do? Yes. So I have to answer this. What do you do when you finish all pages too soon and have extra time? What do you do when you can't finish all pages in 25 minutes?
Let's go to the first question, Teacher Amy.
Okay, what do you do when you finish all the pages too soon and you have this extra time? Um, you can ask the student about or the student about what she have learned or just have a chit chat with the student. But
Chit chat about what?
it could be
About
about the
lesson.
lesson or if she's already in a schooler or just a junior student, so you can ask about her school or about what she keeps him busy in school.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you have a point there, but always remember, teachers. Yeah, if QA will catch that, like chit chat, okay, just to be honest, it's a markdown. Why? Because teachers, if the lesson doesn't have an extension activity, remember when Max was doing like that? If there's no extension activity, create your own relevant to the lesson. Like for example, for this particular lesson, it's all about teacher and school, right? So maybe you can integrate what is inside the school. Some words, you and then your whiteboard will be your Franny. Okay?
Teacher,
So
a
just
trainer, if there's a song really there's a song at the end, can we sing it again? If there's still
sing again.
extra time,
But
we
what
can
if
sing
you
it
have five
twice.
minutes left?
Oh, that's very long.
Yes. Because there are some students that are like high level, then their parents just booked a low level lesson.
Yeah.
So there. But then again, strategize. You have to go back to the presentation of the words, remember? Target sentences. Let her repeat. Okay? Because you can be able to gauge the language level of your student by that time. Okay? Now, this is like my problem because I talk a lot. The second question is my problem. Let's have teacher Tanya. What's your take on this question?
um What do you do when you can't finish all the pages in 25 minutes? Um, Maybe I will have a wrap up on what is the page that we have stopped, and then um
Yeah, that's good, teacher Tanya. You can do that, but it's better that you know already that you can, especially if the student is late. Okay?
mm,
You know already that you can't finish it at the 25th minute. This is what you will do. Inform the student. Oh, Diane, since you're late, you're not able to enter AC on time. Um, we will just do one game.
mm,
Okay, because more or less, or maybe just one word. Remember, the game is actually like the same for all the target words, right? And the target sentences. So just one game or one word per game. Okay, like for example, if it's Max, the train, or if it's Max going up the tower, so just one word. Or if it's Max, the one that you need to, you're the fish, so just one word.
mm.
Okay. And then what should you not skip? What part should you not skip? Not skip.
The
Which
lesson
part?
proper. The lesson proper wherein there are words that they need to practice.
Yeah, after that, after the, because you are already in the after on the game part. What else should you not skip aside from the lesson proper? It's the
Wrap up.
wrap up.
Yeah.
Very good. Never skip that. You can skip the song, but never the wrap up.
Sure.
Okay. Now, this is it, teachers. Proper pacing. How many pages are in this lesson? How many minutes do you have? Proper pacing. Okay? Adjust accordingly. So you know that already. We have tackled that earlier. Okay? Now, the extension activities. What can you do here aside from making your own extension activities and the one on the page? Let's have teacher Diane.
So what do we do when we finish all the pages too soon and have extra time? So we're going to ask check questions or the CCQs, ask follow-up questions, and teach new sentences, phrases, and idioms.
But related to your topic. You can actually, like what I mentioned
Yes.
earlier, you can actually have like teacher, of course in the inside the school, and you can I like school. I like my teacher. Okay, just so on. Teach new sentences. Okay, so teachers, we will have a quick break for you to freshen up, go to the loo. It's 2:28.
Mhm.
I will give you like 7 minutes. Be back at 3:05. Okay?